Hello guys, most of the people get answer 1 for this problem in wrong way. Here 4 divided by 2 times 1 plus 1 is 2. Now 4 divided by this is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. This is wrong. As per order of operations, PEMDAS, here multiplication and division are equal priority. This is division and multiplication. Here addition and subtractions are equal priority. This is bracket which is higher priority than others. Now we are going to do this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here bracket is first. So we have to do this first. So 4 divided by 2 times this is 2. Now division and multiplication both are equal priority. We have to follow this left to right rule in the problem. Left to right is this one. So 4 divided by 2 is 2 times this 2. Now 2 times 2 is 4. This is the correct answer.